How do I pronounce this word? Hoender. Notice I'm not saying the D. I can say hoender, but this is not how most Afrikaans people speak. In words where there is a D that follows an N, we usually drop the D in our pronunciation. For instance, donderdag, sonder, ander. I find that my students recognize and understand these words much more easily once they realize that within D words, we write the D, but we don't always say it. It is fine to say it, donderdag, hoender, but most people just don't.